Namaskara and a warm welcome to all the Rasikas, elders of the Sabha and family members gathered here this morning. This is the second part of Chinmudra Academy's annual day, and today is extra special as it features our vibrant and dedicated working women's batches. These women have juggled careers, home, work and rehearsals and have poured their hearts into what you're about to witness. We begin today's event with the lighting of the lamp, invoking the divine blessings of Nataraja, our gurus, and the Devi who bestows wisdom and grace. The invocation will be sung by Kumari Kirtana. We are also honored to have in our midst today our esteemed chief guest, Guru Srimati Kshitija Kasravalli. We request her to kindly come on to the dais and join us in offering a brief puja, a prayer for grace, focus, and smooth unfolding of the performance. May the blessings of the gods and gurus guide us this morning.
ಗಣಪತಿ ಗಣನಾಥ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ, ಗೌರಿ ತನಯನೇ ಸುರನರ ವಂದಿತನೆ. ಗಣಪತಿ ಗಣನಾಥ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ, ಗೌರಿ ತನಯನೇ ಸುರನರ ವಂದಿತನೆ. ಗಣಪತಿ ಗಣನಾಥ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ. ಪರಮ ಸ್ವರೂಪನೇ ಪೀತಾಂಬರಧರನೇ, ಆನಂದ ರೂಪನೇ ಆದಿ ಪೂಜಿತನೇ. ಪರಮ ಸ್ವರೂಪನೇ ಪೀತಾಂಬರಧರನೇ, ಆನಂದ ರೂಪನೇ ಆದಿ ಪೂಜಿತನೇ. ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರನೇ ಪತಿತೋದ್ಧಾರನೇ, ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಪರಶಿವನ ಪ್ರೇಮದ ಪುತ್ರನೇ. ಗಣಪತಿ ಗಣನಾಥ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ, ಗೌರಿ ತನಯನೇ ಸುರನರ ವಂದಿತನೆ. ಗಣಪತಿ ಗಣನಾಥ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ, ಗೌರಿ ತನಯನೇ ಸುರನರ ವಂದಿತನೆ. ಗಣಪತಿಯೇ ಗಣನಾಥ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ. ನಿರುತವು ನಿನ್ನಯ ಸ್ಮರಣೆಯ ಮಾಡುವ, ಭಕುತರು ಕಾಯುವ ಸುಗುಣಾತೀತನೇ. ನಿರುತವು ನಿನ್ನಯ ಸ್ಮರಣೆಯ ಮಾಡುವ, ಭಕುತರ ಕಾಯುವ ಸುಗುಣಾತೀತನೇ. ನಿನ್ನಯ ನಾಮವ ಭಜಿಸುವ ಮನಗಳಿಗೆ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಕರುಣಿಸಿ ಹರಸೋ ಗಣನಾಥ. ಗಣಪತಿಯೇ ಗಣನಾಥ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ, ಗೌರಿ ತನಯನೇ ಸುರನರ ವಂದಿತನೆ. ಗಣಪತಿಯೇ ಗಣನಾಥ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ, ಗೌರಿ ತನಯನೇ ಸುರನರ ವಂದಿತನೆ. ಗಣಪತಿಯೇ ಗಣನಾಥ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ.
Thank you, Kirtana, for such a wonderful rendition. Ma'am, we request you to take your seat as we are set to begin today's recital. At Chinmudra, it is tradition to let the students take over the show. So here's presenting to you Kala Nirmiti on the occasion of Chinmudra's 9th annual day celebrations.
We begin today's recital with a traditional Pushpanjali.
Pushpanjali, meaning offering of flowers, where the dancers offers salutations to the Bhumi, the Devi in from the stage, their Ishtadevatas, the Guru and the Rasikas.
It is a prayer seeking the blessings of the divine for a flawless performance. It was added in the Bharatanatyam Margam by the great dancers Dr. Padma Subramaniam.
With rhythmic footwork and graceful movements, where the dancers express their humility and reverence before entering into the world of Bharatanatyam.
With Raga, Nagaswaravali and Adi Tala presenting to you Pushpanjali.
ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ತಾಂ ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣತ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತತಾಂ ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ 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 ದಣ ಜೊಣ್ಣು ದಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ದಣ ದಣ ತತಾಂ ಜೊಣು ಜೊಣು ತತಾಂ ಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ತತಾಂ ದಣ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣು ತಾಂ ಧಿಮಿ ತಾಂ ದಣ ದಣ ತತಾಂ ಜೊಣು ಜೊಣು ತತಾಂ ಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ತತಾಂ ದಣ ತಾಂ ಧಿಮಿ ತತ ಧೀಜಂ ದಣ ಜೊಣು ಧಿಮಿ ತತ ಧೀಜಂ ದಣ ಜೊಣು ಧಿಮಿತ ದಣ ಜೊಣು ಧಿಮಿತ ದಣ ಜೊಣು ಧಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ ತಾಂ ಜೊಣು ತತ ಧಿಮಿತ ತಾಂ
Please give this batch a huge round of applause. They started learning dance only in the month of June, and in such a short span of time, they have presented so beautifully.
Angikam Bhuvanam Yasya. The body is his temple and the universe his gesture. This verse pays tribute to Lord Nataraja, the eternal dancer, whose every movement breathes life into creation. Set in Chaturashra Jati, this piece celebrates the divine through movement where each step and gesture reflects the balance, grace and cosmic rhythm. The piece then moves into Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, a piece which is dedicated to the Guru, the guiding light who's responsible for the creation, transformation and preservation. Through rhythm and reflection, the dancer now unites both the body and spirit, sound and silence, presenting Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu set in Raga Nate in Hadi Thala and Angikam Bhuvanam set in Raga Hamsa Nadi in Adi Thala.
चंद्र तारादितं नमः सात्विकं शिवम् वाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादितं नमः सात्विकं शिवं तं नमः सात्विकं शिवं तं नमः परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः
That was the Shraddha batch. Please give another huge round of applause. Now we all watch the students perform. Now we have the teacher of the Shraddha batch performing, welcoming Riya on stage.
The next performance is a composition titled Shringapuradhishwari Sharade. This is a composition which is in the form of a prayer to goddess Sharada, the goddess of wisdom, knowledge and art, who is prayed to in the sacred town of Sringeri. The dancer offers the devotion to Shringapuradhishwari Sharade, the symbol of learning and inspiration. Presenting to you Shringapuradhishwari Sharade in Raga Kalyani set to Aditala, a composition by Sri Padmacharan.
शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे 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 शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शुभमङ्गले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शुभमङ्गले पुराधीश्वरी शारदे शारदे शङ्कर सन्नुते श्रीपद्मचरणे सकलकला विशारदे वरदे शङ्कर सन्नुते श्रीपद्मचरणे सकलकला विशारदे वरदे सकलकला 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 विशारदे वरदे सलहिन्नता मंगले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे ಕರುಣಿಸಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರುತಿಗತಿಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಶ್ರುತಿ 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 ಕರುಣಿಸಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರುತಿಗತಿಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಗತಿಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಕಮನೀಯ ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ಸುಪೂಜಿತೆ ಕಮನೀಯ ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ಸುಪೂಜಿತೆ ಕಾವ್ಯಗಾನ ಕಲಾ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಕಾವ್ಯಗಾನ ಕಲಾ ಸ್ವರೂಪಿಣಿ ಕಾಮಿತದಾಯಿನಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಜನನಿ ಕಾಮಿತದಾಯಿನಿ ಶೃಂಗಪುರಾಧೀಶ್ವರಿ ಶಾರದೆ ಶಾರದೆ ಜ್ವಲತ್ಕಾಂತಿವಹ್ನೀಂ ಜಗನ್ಮೋಹನಾಂಗಿ ಭಜೆ ಶಾರದಾಂಬ ಅಜಸ್ರಂ ಮದಾಂಬ ಶಾರದಾಂಬ ಭಜೆ
The next composition in today's repertoire is the Jatiswaram.
Jatiswaram is nritta, which means pure dance without a narrative.
It is a vibrant composition with intricate footwork, complex rhythmic patterns, and beautiful movements.
Set to swaras or musical notes as the name suggests, this composition celebrates the beauty of form, symmetry, and precision in Bharatanatyam.
This Jatiswaram is set to the hauntingly beautiful raga Rasika Priya and set to Aditala.
Yes, and it comes from the genius mind of Sri Lalgudi Jayaraman.
Today we proudly present to you
Our rendition of
Rasika Priya Jatiswaram.
ದ ಪದ ಪಮಗ ಮಗ ಸಾನಿದ ಪದ ಪಮಗ ಮಗ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸಾನಿದ ಪದ ಪಮಗ ಮಗ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸಾನಿದ ಪದ ಪಮಗ ಮಗ ಸರಿ ಗಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸಾನಿದ ಪದ ಪಮಗ ಮಗ
ತದ್ಧೀಂ ಧಳ್ಳಂ ಕುತ್ತದ್ಧೀಂ ಕಿಣ್ಣತ್ತೋಂ ಝಂ ತರಿತಾ ಜಗ ತರಿತಾ ತದ್ಗಿಣತೋ ಝಣ ಝಣತಾ ಕುಕುಂತರಿತಾ ತದ್ಗಿಣತೋ ಝಂ ತರಿತಾ ತದ್ಗಿಣತೋ ಝಣ ಝಣತಾ गिण तोम जन जनता तद्धिं गिण तोम तकदिं गिण तोम तकदिं गिण तोम जन जनता तद्धिं गिण तोम तकदिं गिण तोम तकदिं गिण तोम जन जनता तद्धिं गिण तोम तकदिं गिण तोम तकदिं गिण तोम
सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग म ग सा रि सा नि धा प ध प म ग रे स नि स रे ग म प धा नि सा रि सा नि धा प ध प म ग रे स नि स रे ग म प धा नि सा रि सा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग म ग स रे ग म प धा नि सा नि धा प धा प म ग pa ma ga ma ga sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa da ni sa ni da pa da pa ma ga ma ga.
Give them another huge round of applause. We have an exclusive presentation now, so it will take us a few minutes to get things ready. Please bear with us. Do you want to know an interesting story as to how dance came on earth? Let's watch them.
Namaskaram to all of you. How lovely it is to see such a beautiful audience seated here in this wonderful auditorium.
And this is Mami. She's the most enthusiastic person I've met when it comes to art and culture.
And this is Arav, trained in engineering, yet drawn deeply to the rhythm of our culture and the grace of our traditions.
Of course, Mami, our real history, not what's in our textbooks.
Exactly. That is why we're going to explore something absolutely divine today. Look who's here. Natya herself. Namaskaram, Natya Saraswati.
Namaskaram to all of you. It gives me immense joy to stand before you all. For today, we will journey into how I, Natya, was born.
That's fascinating. But wait, nowadays, all dances are from YouTube University only, right? Bharatnatyam, Odissi, Kuchipudi, they're one and the same. Just different names for different languages in each state. Right, Mami?
You're not entirely right, Arav, but not entirely wrong either. All these dances share one divine mother, Natya. Can you please tell us more about this?
Indeed. Let me take you back to Krita and Treta Yuga, where people had lost their way and subdued their senses. Seeing this, Indra and the other gods went to Lord Brahma, pleading for a solution. Do you know what happened next? Come, let's see. Which is both audible and visual, which could both soothe the ears and delight the eyes and bring happiness to all. From Rig Veda, music from Samaveda, gestures from Yajurveda, and rasa from Atharvana Veda. Combining the four Vedas, he created the fifth, the divine art of dance and drama.
So Indra took the fifth Veda and taught it to everyone?
No, wait, that's not what happened. So Indra said that this was too complex.
Oh, that's when he chose Bharata Muni, right?
Yes, you're right, Mami. Brahma gave the fifth Veda to Bharata Muni to learn, to understand, and to teach it. As Bharata immersed himself in the Natya Veda, learning every detail of it, understanding not just the art. Bharata's 100 sons imbibe different aspects of the Natya Veda, sculpting, music, and painting, and much more.
So Bharata taught this to his 100 sons, right?
Yes, you're right. And Bharata, with his 100 sons, planned to stage a grand production.
A production?
Arav, how many questions? Wait, be patient. Kids these days want to know everything instantly, just like this Instagram reels.
Wait, let me tell you. They planned to stage Amrita Mantana, and they decided to do it during Indra's Banner Festival.
Arav, I hope you know the story of Amrita Mantana.
Isn't it the story where the Devas and the Asuras churn the milk ocean to extract the Amrita? Did everyone appreciate Bharata and his students?
Yes. So all the Devas, Devatas, Ganas, and Rakshasas, everyone came to witness this grand production.
Look, Arav, Shiva and Parvati, they look so divine. Brahma and Saraswati, this is spectacular. They've all come to witness this performance.
It truly feels like a Hollywood red carpet.
Arav, do you remember even the Rakshasas were seated in the audience? They did not like what they saw.
Yes, you're right, Mami. The Rakshasas got very angry seeing the portrayal of their defeat. And you know what they did? They cursed everyone on the stage.
Rama.
That's when Indra destroyed all the Rakshasas and thus removed the curse with his Jarjara. And that's when Bharata realized the importance of sanctifying the stage before any performance. That's why we pray to gods before any dance recital.
Oh, this is so similar to the Pushpanjali that dancers perform at the beginning of the show.
Yes, the Purvaranga Vidhi which once took Wait, Arav. I'm not done with the story just yet.
I'm sorry, I'm just curious. I want to know how it came from the gods to us.
Okay, let me tell you what happened. So, over many years, Bharata's 100 sons came down to earth and began propagating the dance across various parts of Asia, what we today know as Jambudvipa. But, depending on the cultural and the social foundations of different regions, different dance forms have developed over many years. But they share the same script, first written by Brahma and then passed on by Bharata, the Natya Shastra. Arav, I hope this answers your question.
Thank you, Natya, it does. The Natya Shastra. That's fascinating. Maybe I should buy the textbook and learn more about this.
Arav, I hope you at least know the 8 dance forms.
Of course I do, Mommy. I learnt it in my social studies textbook. Let's see. Kathak. Satriya. Manipuri. Kuchipudi. Kathakali. And
these are not just dances, they are prayers, traditions, and culture in motion.
let us learn them, practice them, and preserve them so the rhythm of our culture never fades.
Shankara Shrigiri is a composition by Swati Tirunal in praise of Lord Shiva. In praise of Lord Shiva, the Lord of the mountains, who is seen doing a captivating dance at the Chitra Sabha. His divine form glows with the sacred ash along with the garland of Rudraksha beads that sways along with him. Lord Shiva is seen doing his dance along with his devotee, Bringi, and a vibrant host of celestial beings. As the sound of the ghungurus chimes with the rhythm of the song, the heavens, they resonate with his energy. Sages, gods, and beings of all the realms watch in awe as each movement of Shiva radiates strength, serenity, harmony, which symbolizes the pulse of creation itself. The song echoes the beats ta, tai, ta, ki, ta, takka, which blends the universe, where Lord Shiva's luminous presence shines with Lord Padmanabha's lotus-like heart, Hence, it unites two forces in a moment of grace, set in Hamsanandita Raga Aditalam.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Namastrīlokya Nirmāna Kavaye Shambhave Yataha Pratikshanam Jagannatya Prayogaga Rasiko Janaga Shankara Shri Giri Natha Prabhu Shankara Shri Giri Natha Prabhu Shankara Shri Giri Natha Prabhu Ke Nritta Virajat Chitra Sabha Mein Shankara Shri Giri Natha Prabhu Ke Nritta Virajat Chitra Sabha Mein Shankara Shri Giri Natha Prabhu Ke Nritta Virajat Chitra Sabha Mein Shankara Shri Giri Natha Prabhu
Kutaka Kita Tumta Tadritta Dhannata Dhannata Junnuta Junnuta Dimita Ta Tei Kitataka Tatta Tadritta Dhannata Dhannata Junnuta Junnuta Dimita Ta Tei Kitataka Ta Tadritta Dhannata Dhannata Junnuta Junnuta Dimita Ta Tei Tattarita Dhanna Tattanata Junnu Junnuta Dimita Ta Tei Kitataka Dhanna Ta Junnu Ta Dimi Ta Kita Kitataka Dhanna Ta Junnu Ta Dimi Ta Kita Kitataka Takadiku Kitataka Takadiku Kitataka
Shankara Shri Giri Natha Prabhu Ke Nritta Viraj Bhasmatrinetra Gale Rundamala Bhutane Ke Sang Nachat Bringi Bhasmatrinetra Gale Rundamala Bhutane Ke Sang Nachat Bringi Bhasmatrinetra Gale Rundamala Bhutane Ke Sang Nachat Bringi Shankara Shri Giri Natha Prabhu Ke Nritta Virajat Natha Prabhu ಜನ ಗುಂಗುರು ಬಾಜೆ ಜನನ ಜನನ ಜನ ಗುಂಗುರು ಬಾಜೆ ದೇವ ಮುನಿ ಸಬ ಗಗನ ವಿರಾಜೆ ದೇವ ಮುನಿ ಸಬ ಗಗನ ವಿರಾಜೆ ಜನನ ಜನನ ಜನ ಗುಂಗುರು ಬಾಜೆ ಜನನ ಜನನ ಗುಂಗುರು ಬಾಜೆ ಜನನ ಜನನ ಜನ ಗುಂಗುರು ಬಾಜೆ ಜನನ ಜನನ ಜನ ಗುಂಗುರು ಬಾಜೆ ದೇವ ಮುನಿ ಸಬ ಗಗನ ವಿರಾಜೆ ದೇವ ಮುನಿ ಸಬ ಗಗನ ವಿರಾಜೆ शंकर श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभु के नृत्य विराजत चित्र सभा में शंकर श्रीगिरि तै कीट तक तै कीट तक तकिट तै कीट तक श्रुति गति राजे पदुमनाभ मन कमल विराजे तकिट तै कीट तक 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 श्रुति गति राजे पदुमनाभ मन कमल विराजे शंकर श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभु के श्रीगिरि नाथ प्रभो प्रभो
Students have been choreographed by themselves, so I would like to hear a huge round of applause for them. The next presentation is a unique presentation and we would require some time to set it up, so kindly bear with us.
We now present a special demonstration of Tala Avadanam. This includes rendering the Sollukattu while simultaneously maintaining two different talas on either hand. For example, this is a deeply challenging technical presentation that tests the dancer's grip and focus over Laya. Through this, we have explored the intricate world of rhythm that has taken its central place in Indian classical dance. Now, watch us render the Solukattu that is weaved into Tishra Alaripu by demonstrating Ruda Rupakatala on the left and the Margam Rupakatala on the right. Now, while we do the tala, you can put the tala along with us. Thank you.
Ta, ki, ta, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, taka, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, taka, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, ta, deen, gina, tom, ta, deen, gina, tom, ta, deen, gina, tom, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, ta, deen, gina, tom, ta, deen, gina, tom, ta, deen, gina, tom, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, ta, deen, gina, tom, ta, deen, gina, tom, ta, deen, gina, tom. Lam, tom, ta, deen, gina, tom, ta, tay, tayum, tat, tam, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, tay, tayum, tat, tam, ki, ta, ta, ka, ta, tay, tayum, lam, tom, ta, deen, gina, tom, tam, dit, tam, ki, ta, ta, ka, tay, tat, tay, ki, ta, ta, ka, tam, dit, tam, ki, ta, ta, ka, tay, tat, tay, ki, ta, ta, ka, tam, dit, tam, tay, tat, tay, 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 tam, dit, tam, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tay, tat, tay, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, tam, dit, tam, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, tay, tat, tay, nam, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, di, ki, ta, tom, ki, ta, nam, ki, ta, ta, hat, jam, tari, ta, 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 hat, jam, tari, tari, ta, dingina, tom, ta, ta, dingina, tom, ta, di, ku, ta, dingina, tom, ta, di, ku, ta, dingina, tom, 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 ta, dit, tam, ki, ta, ta, di, ku, 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 ta, ta, lam, tom, ta, dingina, tom, ta, tay, tayum, tat, tam, ki, ta, 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 tay, tayum, tat, tam, ki, ta, 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 tam, tam.
Swaras are the melodic notes. Sarigama Padani, the very essence of music. Kattu means to tie or bind together. When joined, Swarakattu beautifully signifies a harmonious weaving of musical notes into a rhythmic structure. This brings us to the next presentation, Swarakattu, set to the theme of vibrant celebration. Every festival is a tapestry of joy. From the graceful preparation of women adorning themselves to the lively beats of instruments and the rhythmic and the spirited rhythms of dance. Amidst this cheerful commotion lies a symphony of happiness that brings the people together. So let's witness this colorful celebration and radiant festivity of joy unfold on stage. Presenting to you Swarakattu in Raga Hamsanada set to Aditala.
Re ma pa ni sa ta di mi ta ta ka di na re ma pa ni sa ta di mi ta ta ka di na re ma pa ni sa ta di mi ta ta ka di na re ma pa ni sa ta di mi ta ta ka di na re ma pa ni sa ta di mi ta ta ka di na re ma pa ni sa Tagadinare ma panisa Tadimita tagadinare ma panisa Tadimita tagadinare ma panisa Tadimita tagadinare ma panisa Tadimita tagadinare ma panisa
Gummana Karayadire is a beautiful composition that portrays the mischievousness and the kindness of little Krishna. It also portrays the love that Mother Yashoda carries for her little kid. Little Krishna spends his day stealing butter, eating mud, fighting with his friends and tying Gopika's hair, leaving everybody in dismay. Yashoda, unable to endure his pranks, warns him, telling, if you keep doing all these pranks, I'll call Gumma, the demon who will come and eat you and take you away. Krishna, scared, promises his mother that he will not do all of these pranks and that he'll be a good boy. Yashoda, looking at his beautiful face and innocent eyes, says, all right. But the real question is, will Krishna be able to keep up his promise, or will his divine play continue? A Purandaradasa composition in Raga, Tillang and Aditala, Gummana Karayadire, Amma.
Krishna, Krishna, ಗುಮ್ಮನ ಕರೆಯದಿರೆ ಗುಮ್ಮನ ಕರೆಯದಿರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಗುಮ್ಮನ ಕರೆಯದಿರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಗುಮ್ಮನ ಕರೆಯದಿರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಗುಮ್ಮನ ಕರೆಯದಿರೆ ಅಮ್ಮಿಯ ಬೇಡೆನು ಮೊಮ್ಮು ಉಣ್ಣುತ್ತೇನೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಮ್ಮು ಉಣ್ಣುತ್ತೇನೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಗುಮ್ಮನ ಕರೆಯದಿರೇ. ಹೆಣ್ಣುಗಳಿರುವಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವರ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು? ಹೆಣ್ಣುಗಳಿರುವಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವರ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಚುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೇ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು? ಅಣ್ಣನ ಬೈಯನು ಚಿಣ್ಣರ ಬಡಿಯನು, ಅಣ್ಣನ ಬೈಯನು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯ ಬೇಡೇನು, ಮಣ್ಣು ತಿನ್ನುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯ ಬೇಡೇನು, ಮಣ್ಣು ತಿನ್ನುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಗುಮ್ಮನ ಕರೆಯದಿರೇ ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಗುಮ್ಮನ. ಮಗನ ಮಾತ ಕೇಳುತ್ತ ಗೋಪಿ ದೇವಿ ಮುಗುಳು ನಗೆಯ ನಗುತ್ತ, ಗೋಪಿ ದೇವಿ ಜಗದೊಡೆಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಬಿಗಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡಳು. ವಿಠಲನ ಬಿಗಿದಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡಳು ಮೋಹದಿಂದಲೇ. ಆಗ ಗುಮ್ಮನ ಕರೆಯದಿರೇ ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಗುಮ್ಮನ ಕರೆಯದಿರೇ ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಗುಮ್ಮನ ಕರೆಯದಿರೇ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಆನಂದದ ಗಗ ಗಗ ಆನಂದಗನು ಆನಂದಗನು ನಂದಗನು ದನದಗನು ದನೋದ ಆನಂದದ ಗನು ದಗ ಗದ ಗದಂ ಆನಂದ ಆನಂದದ ಗಗನಂದದ ಅನಂತನಂ ತನಂ ಗುಮ್ಮ ಗುಮ್ಮ ಆನಂದದ ಆನಂದ ಗಗನಂದ ಆನಂದದ ಆನಂದದ ನೂದದ ಗಗ ಆ ಆ ಆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಗುಮ್ಮನ ಕರೆಯದಿರೇ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ
We now present to you the final dance of the day, a unique composition titled Tunge, penned by none other than Karnataka Kalashri Vidwan D.S. Srivatsa.
This evocative piece explores the journey of two sacred rivers, Tunga and Bhadra, both revered of their cultural and spiritual significance in Karnataka.
It is said that the river Tunga flows through Sringeri, and in this composition she is described as the divine consort of Lord Vishnu. The lines Tungi Tarangi Bayasidali Swami Hariya Sati Ninnendali expresses her yearning to be by Hari's side.
On the other hand, river Bhadra flows by Hampi, the land of grandeur and divinity. Each river carries the essence of her chosen deity, Tunga with Vishnu and Bhadra with Shiva.
Eventually, they come together as one, not just geographically, but spiritually, and give birth to the mighty Tungabhadra. And it is by their banks that Harihara, Shiva and Vishnu are worshipped as one.
This composition, it's not just the celebration of rivers, it's the poetic reflection of the Tunga and Bhadra.
Set in the soulful raga Ananda Bhairavi in Tishra Adi Tala, this song flows gently just like the rivers it speaks of, gentle, deep and spiritually resonant.
We invite you to immerse yourself in the lyrical beauty and symbolism of this dance, Tunge.
ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ತಕದಿಮಿ ಜಣುತ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಮಿ ತರಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ತಕದಿಮಿ ಜಣುತ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಮಿ ತರಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ತಕದಿಮಿ ಜಣುತ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಮಿ ತರಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ತಕದಿಮಿ ಜಣುತ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಮಿ ತರಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ತಕದಿಮಿ ಜಣುತ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಮಿ ತರಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ತಕದಿಮಿ ಜಣುತ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ತರಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ತಕದಿಮಿ ಜಣುತ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಮಿ ತರಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಮಿ ತಕದಿಮಿ ಜಣುತ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಮಿ ತರಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಮಿ ತಗದಿಮಿ ಜಣುತ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಮಿ ತರಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಮಿ ತಗದಿಮಿ ಜಣುತ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಮಿ ತುಂಗೆ ಭದ್ರೆ ಭಾಮಿನಿ ಮೊಳಗಿದಳೆ ತನ್ನ ಹರನ ಸಮಯಾರಿಲ್ಲೆಂದಳೆ ತುಂಗೆ ತರಂಗೆ ಬಯಸಿದಳೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹರಿಯ ಸಾಟಿ ಇನ್ನಿಲ್ಲೆಂದಳೆ ಭದ್ರೆ ಭಾಮಿನಿ ಮೊಳಗಿದಳೆ ತನ್ನ ಹರನ ಸಮಯಾರಿಲ್ಲೆಂದಳೆ ತೋಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ತಕದಿಮಿ ಜಣುತ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದಿಮಿತ ಝಂ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಧೀಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣಣ್ಣಕ್ಕ ನಂ ತಜ್ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ತಟ್ಟಿ ತದ್ಧಣ್ಣ ತಕ್ಕ ತಾಕು ಝಂ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಧೀಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಣ್ಣಣ್ಣಕ್ಕ ನಂ ತಜ್ಜೊಣ್ಣು ತಕ್ಕ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತಕ್ಕ ಧಿಗು ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತುಂ ಶಂಖ ಚಕ್ರಧರನ ಕಮಲ ನಯನ ಜಲ ಜನಾಭನ ವರಿಸಿದಳೆ ತುಂಗೆ ಗಜ ಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರನ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲಧರನ ನಿಟಿಲ ನೇತ್ರನ ಹಾಡಿ ಬಲಿದಳೆ ಭದ್ರೇ ಶಂಖ ಚಕ್ರಧರನ ವರಿಸಿದಳೆ ತುಂಗೆ ಗಜ ಚರ್ಮಾಂಬರನ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲಧರನ ನಿಟಿಲ ನೇತ್ರನ ಹಾಡಿ ನಲಿದಳೆ ಭದ್ರೇ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿಮಿ ತಕದಿಮಿ ಜಣುತ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿಮಿತ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ತತ್ತ ಢಿಂಕುತ ತಕ ಝಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ತತ್ತ ಢಿಂಕುತೈ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ತತ್ತ ಢಿಂಕುತ ತಕ ಝಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ತತ್ತ ಢಿಂಕುತ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ತತ್ತ ಢಿಂಕುತ ತಕ ಝಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ತತ್ತ ಢಿಂಕುತೆ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ತತ್ತ ಢಿಂಕುತ ತಕ ಝಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ತತ್ತ ಢಿಂಕುತೆ ತಜ್ಜಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ತಕ ಝಂ ತರಿ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿತ್ತ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊ ದಿತ್ತ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊ ತಗ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ತದಿಂಗಿಣ ತೊಂ ದಶಾವತಾರವ ತಳೆದು ಜಗದೋದ್ಧ ನಗರಿ ಎಂದಳ ತುಂಗೆ ಆದಿಯಂತ್ಯವ ಅರಿಯದ ಹರಿವಿರುಚಿಯರಿಗೂ ಮಿಗಿಲಾದ ದೇವನೇ ಎನ್ನೊಡೆಯ ಹರ ಎಂದಳೆ ಭದ್ರೇ ದೊಂ ತಕ್ಕ ತದಿಮಿ ತಕದಿಮಿ ಜಣುತ ತೋಂ ತಕ ತದ್ದಿಮಿತ ತುಂಗಭದ್ರೆಯರ ಸರಸ ವಿರಸಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆರೆದರೆ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯಿಂದಲೇ ಹರುಷದಿಂದಲೇ ಸೋದರಿಯರೆನಿಸಿ ಹರಿಹರನ ಬಳಸಿ ಹರಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ನಾಡು ಪಾವನವಡೆಯಿತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ನಾಡು ಪಾವನವಡೆಯಿತೆ
This will be followed by the Mangalam. After this, we will have the felicitation ceremony.
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే. ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ಓ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ, ಓ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ, ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಪುರೇ, ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ, ಓ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ, ಓ ಬಳ ತಂದನಾನ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ, 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 ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ. ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ, 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 ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಮೊಕ್ಕಟೇ. లేదు కందువగు హీనాధికము నిందు లేదు, అధికము నిందు లేదు. కందువగు హీనాధికము నిండు లేదు, అధికము నిండు 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 లేదు. అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ, అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ, అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ. ఇందులో జంతు కులమింతానొకటే. అందరికి శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ, శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ, శ్రీహరే అంతరాత్మ. తందనాన బళ తందనాన బురే, తందనాన బళ తందనాన బళ తందనాన. తందనాన బళ తందనాన బురే, తందనాన బళ తందనాన బళ తందనాన. బ్రహ్మమొక్కటే పరబ్రహ్మమొక్కటే. భూమి మంగళం, ఉదక మంగళం, అగ్ని మంగళం, గగన మంగళం, సూర్య మంగళం, చంద్ర మంగళం, జగత్ మంగళం, జీవ మంగళం, దేహ మంగళం, మనోమంగళం, ఆత్మ మంగళం. భూమి మంగళం, ఉదక మంగళం, అగ్ని మంగళం, వాయు మంగళం, గగన మంగళం, మంగళం, జీవ మంగళం, దేహ మంగళం, మనోమంగళం, ఆత్మ మంగళం. సర్వమంగళం భవతు భవతు భవతు, సర్వమంగళం భవతు భవతు భవతు, సర్వమంగళం భవతు భవతు భవతు.
Please give all of them a huge, huge round of applause. Presenting to you the Working Women's Batch of Chinmudra Academy. Thank you to all the performances of the day. The past 1.5 hours of soulful performances has truly been a blessed Sunday, filled with art, joy and devotion. Let's give all of them a well-deserving round of applause. We now take a moment to express our gratitude and honor our chief guest, Guru Srimati Kshitija Kasravalli, for joining us this morning. Ma'am, we kindly request you to join us on stage. Srimati Kshitija Kasravalli is an eminent artist and inspiring guru and a name held in high regard in the world of Indian classical dance. She is the artistic director of Nrityakshiti School of Dance and an A-graded Doordarshan artist. She holds a Vidwat in Bharatanatyam, a Master of Fine Arts in Dance, and is trained extensively in Bharatanatyam, Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi. A multifaceted artist, performer, choreographer, teacher and Natuvanar, she has dedicated over 2 decades to the field of classical dance. Her impressive dance journey includes performances on prestigious platforms across India and abroad, including the United States, United Kingdom, Singapore, Indonesia, taking the elegance of Indian classical dance to global stages. She has also featured in channels such as Doordarshan, Chandana, Udaya TV, Sri Shankara TV, among others. Her strong foundation in the art was shaped under revered gurus Dr. Geeta Anant Narayan, Karnataka Kalashri Srimati Bhanumati, Karnataka Kalashri Srimati Sundari Sanatam, and Guru Srimati Anupama Mohan, who helped nurture her finesse in Abhinaya, Angika, and Karnas. Srimati Kshitija Kasravalli's excellence has been recognized with a long list of prestigious awards, including Pratibha Puraskar from Bengaluru, Natya Tarang Award from Vishakhapatnam, Natya Kala Bharati from Chennai, Satvika Nartaki Puraskar among Bhuvaneshwar. As a teacher, she continues to enrich the classical dance through Nrityakshiti, a traditional dance institution she has been leading for over 15 years, nurturing more than 50 students with discipline, culture, and deep artistic values. She has also choreographed acclaimed dance dramas such as Samudra Mantana, Punya Koti, and Panchabhuta Parikrama. Having come from the illustrious Kasravalli family, she upholds a rich legacy of art, culture, literature, and creativity, and continues to add her own brilliance to it. Ma'am, your journey as a performer and teacher continues to inspire all of us in the dance fraternity. Your gracious presence today is a true blessing. Please come up to speak a few words about Chinmudra's annual day celebrations.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಶುಭದದ್ದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗುರುಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾರೂ ಬಿಡದೇನೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಜರ್ನಿನ. ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಇದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
There is one set of people who should not be forgotten, the dancers themselves. It is not a teacher's onus to create platforms for students, but rather the teacher's onus to create students for platforms. This is what Shubhada Akka believes. Every student in Chinmudra is nurtured with love, care and discipline. So it's time to give them their due recognition. I request Shubhada Akka to make the announcements.
Thank you, Sadhvi. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskara to everyone here. At Chinmudra, every performance is not just display of dance as you saw today, because dance itself has so many facets included in it. And it takes from so many other art forms. It's only dance that has music, and it uses sculpting as a muse, and it has poetry. Name any other art form, it takes imbibes from it. It is such an amazing art form. It is a reflection of discipline, dedication, and deep love. And all that was seen here today. It's not just about learning few choreographies, but of course it's about imbibing the bhava, the raga, and the tala. Each student's journey is unique, and what they bring to the class, how they internalize what is taught to them, and how they reflect upon it, how each movement that they learn defines them as a dancer. So as a teacher, it gives me immense pride to see these students who go beyond routine learning, who dance with sincerity and with a sense of responsibility and of course love for the art form. So it is my duty to recognize some pearls in the bunch of students and offer them a small token of appreciation from my end as a token of encouragement for their continued journey in this beautiful art form. So I'll start with the senior most batch in the working women batch, that is the Sangha batch. From this batch, there's been one girl who has been a silent achiever in every sense. She rarely speaks in class, but her dance speaks volumes. So this year's Uttama Nartaki award from the Sangha batch goes to Deepa. Deepa, please come forward. Kshitijaka, I would request you to give her a token of appreciation. She learns with precision, takes back, she takes feedback very sincerely, and she works on it and she comes back. She works meticulously, and I've seen that. And even if she misses class, she makes sure that she's up to date with what was being done, and she practices it and perfects it. Her sincerity and her quiet determination truly make her stand apart. Thank you, Deepa. So let's come to the next batch according to seniority. And from this batch, the girl have chosen her enthusiasm, her love for learning, her eagerness to participate and to be part of everything. That's what sets her apart. So I would like to give the title of Uttama Nartaki to Deepika. Activities of the classes, performances, she's been there, and she's an inspiration. Watching her grow with performances, from last year's annual day to this year's, I can see so much of improvement in her, and that gives a teacher true joy. That is true joy, and I hope you continue this, Deepika, and continue to give Chinmudra this much happiness. Thank you. And now coming to the third set of students. From this batch, since they're all been here, I think they already announced, Sadhvi already announced that this particular batch, they joined Chinmudra only in May and June. So they've been here for less than 4-5 months. But in that time, for how much they've absorbed from Sneha, who handles their batch, I was really stunned when I saw them dance for the first time, when they showed me the Pushpanjali after it was choreographed. Just imagine, it's like learning all the alphabets and also writing an essay at the same time in just a few, in a few weeks' time. Imagine, it's like learning a whole language. That's how difficult it is, but they put it together so beautifully today, all of them. Really, you all did an incredible job today for beginners. It's not easy for beginners to put up a show like this, but you all pulled it off, and I'm really proud of all of you. So we have to choose one, so I had to. So it was really difficult, but since this batch, began only a few months ago under Sneha's guidance, and this particular girl stands out for her dedication and, and she has a very infectious energy, if I may say. She is enthusiastic, cheerful, and brings brightness every time she enters the class. And her bubbly personality and her love, has kind of spread in our class. Can you all guess who it is? Devyani. Yes, that's right. So, Devyani, you have brought in that energy, and I hope that energy continues to spread in the class, and I wish that you get a lot more success. And I wish all of you here present here today, a lot of success and a lot of happiness and good health. And may you continue this, in the same spirit that you've been doing. It's so nice when the class is filled with all of you, the energy that you bring on Sunday mornings. And you know what, they come only on Sundays because they can't on weekdays. They have to work and they have so many things to manage over the week, but they still make it on Sunday. And that Sunday mornings when you're in class, really the vibration is completely different, and I hope that sustains, and I hope to see you all continue this art form. So thank you so much. So the senior most batch, the ladies batch, they also appeared for examinations this year. They wrote the first year diploma examinations conducted by Suro Bharati Kala Kendra, and they all did brilliantly, and I want to bring out one person who put her heart and soul into the exam, and who brought everyone else in her batch together. And it's not easy to study at this age, right? I'm sure all adults will agree. Imagine you picking up a textbook and actually having to memorize a lot of the things at this age. It's not easy, but then with work and home and all of that. But they did all of that, beach shlokas and whatever I gave them, I said, no, you have to. There is no other way, you have to memorize it and come back. So it was an amazing experience for me, and I'm sure for them as well, to write the exam. So I want to give a special recognition this year to Mrs. Usha from the Sangha batch. She topped the examination and excelled with an outstanding 90% under Suro Bharati Kala Kendra. Despite her busy schedule and responsibilities, she, brings her, each time I feel like when she enters the class, she comes with an empty heart, and when she leaves, she fills up that heart full with dance. And whatever is in her heart, right, she will spread in the class and go. That's what I feel about Usha ji, and she brings so much happiness and positive vibrations. Thank you. She is the mother of 2 engineering students. Can you believe that? So her journey really tells us that, passion, when you have a passion for something, nothing is impossible. You can achieve anything. She works and sometimes she finishes rehearsal and she's taking calls in the car. She takes her meetings in the car or sitting on the stairs. So that's the commitment that, not only her, all of them, so many of them have in this, in the ones standing here on stage today. And it shows that, passion has no age, no commitment has no limit. That's what, and it's truly inspiring to see all of you here. Thank you so much. So of course, today's show wouldn't have happened without the guidance of 2 teachers that are handling these 2 batches. So I call upon Kumari Riya and Kumari Sneha. They are shaping all of them so beautifully with so much heart. Riya's thoughtful approach to choreography. She's a very creative teacher. She comes up with creative things to do in class. And of course, Sneha's energy and her ability to inspire her students, and she really brings out, she extracts the best out of each one of them, and that's what I saw today. And if they all dance so beautifully, it is because of both Riya and Sneha today, who gave their all. And it's such a moment of pride for me that, you know, I've seen them from when they were like 7 and 8. I mean, I'm not so old, but yeah. But they've been with me for a very long time, and, you know, to see them grow into teachers like this and carry forward the spirit of Chinmudra gives me so much happiness. So, thank you, Riya and Sneha, for all of this. I would also like to thank Kumari Vaishnavi, Kumari Rachita, Kumari Nandita for bringing such beautiful presentations on stage today. I just told them, girls, ಈ ಸತಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವೂ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂಥರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ how much dance has, because most of the audience that are here, I'm sure, are all relatives and friends of all the batches here. So, you know, I wanted them to come up with something on their own. So I just gave them the songs and said, yochne maadi, neeve choreograph madkoli, see how the thought process will go. And, you know, it's the mother bird has to let the babies fly right off the nest. So I really wanted that for them. So, and I'm so proud of how they presented the dances today. And thank you. I thank them from the bottom of my heart for this. So, I would also like to thank Kshitijaka for coming today and gracing the occasion. You know, she's also been a real inspiration for me for all. I would like to say that when I joined my class, like Nritya Kala Mandiram under Banu ma'am, she was the senior most over there, and to watch her play all the roles and, you know, to take inspiration from her was a real big deal for me. And today that she's here with us means a lot to me. Thank you, Kshitijaka. So I would like to just say that I would like to end by saying talent blooms in the soil of sincerity, and it grows with hard work. You know, when you water it with a lot of love and care, and definitely it will only shine with humility. So please remember this. May each one of you continue to learn, grow, and find joy in your art. Thank you very much.
We would like to offer our heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Guru Srimati Kshitija Kasravalli, makeup by Abhishek and team, photography by Sumuki and team, videography by Temple Sounds, stage and decor by Prabhat Kala Dwaraka team, our mentors, families and fellow students, and to each and every Rasika here. Your presence fuels the art we practice. Thank you all once again for joining us this morning. Have a wonderful Sunday. Namaskara.
I would like to thank Kumari Sadhvi and Kumari Sanvi for having come here today. They were here just last week performing their Ranga Pravesha, and they're here just 1 week later, you know, back to routine and back to classes and back to, you know, helping me with things, and so proud of both of you. I think by now we were still winding up with the Tillana, and today they're here, standing here and, you know, taking over and leading. And so thank you so much, Sadhvi and Sanvi. And thank you to all the Rasikas present here. Without you, obviously, there is, you know, if there's no encouragement for them, then they won't be able to show off how much they've learned, right? So a big round of applause to yourselves as well. Thank you so much, and have a lovely Sunday. Thank you.